performer standing on stage is in the spotlight. He is directly illuminated, like this tree. Now, if you've ever been in this position, you know that it's not so comfortable. Those spotlights are bright and distracting. This is why landscape lighting relies so heavily on indirect illumination. That is, the people in the landscape should not be able to see the source of the lighting. Landscape lighting designers shine their lights on trees, plants, walls, or other architectural features so that the light reflects off of those surfaces and illuminates the space. While this involves directly lighting landscape plants or architectural features, the overall space is illuminated indirectly. One of the biggest challenges for the lighting designer is to keep light where you want it and to prevent it from going where you don't. You need to take steps to prevent glare. Places where viewers get in the direct line of a fixture and are blinded by the light source. There are a lot of tools at your disposal to help deal with this problem, including cowls, louvers, and well lights that are buried into the ground. Remember that you'll need to consider all directions from which people might look at an illuminated location, including the inside and outside of a house, from an outdoor living area, etc. Be sure that your light source can't be seen directly from any location.